Welcome, and today's discussion is going to be business intelligence. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence is a broad category of applications and technologies for gathering, storing, analyzing, and providing access to data to help enterprise users make better business decisions. You will notice from the definition that business intelligence encompasses a broad category of applications, not just one application, a collection of applications and technologies. So which means that it may not just be one specific software such as Oracle database or an Oracle data integrator tool, but a collection of both, as well as other applications which support business decision overall, makes up what is known as business intelligence. Now, business intelligence applications include the activities of decision support systems, query and reporting, online analytical processing, which is OLAP, statistical analysis, forecasting, and data mining. All these make up business intelligence. And one of the key benefits of business intelligence is that it eliminates or helps you eliminate guesswork. Then it helps you get faster answers in your business questions. Also helps you get insight into customer behavior, and well as learn how to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and you can also see where your business has been, where it is now, and through predictive analytics you'll be able to predict where you are most likely to end up. Business intelligence applications can be mission critical and integral to an enterprise's operations, or occasional to meet a special requirement. Enterprise-wide or local to one division, department, centrally initiated or driven by user demand. Now, someone may be asking or wondering and say, now what is the difference between business intelligence and business analytics? The questions that are asked in business intelligence include: what happened? When did such an event happen? Who was involved in this event? And how many times has this particular event happened? On the contrast side, business analytics will pose questions such as: why did this particular happen? These type of questions that are generated from the business analytics perspective are more investigative type of questions. Will it happen again? What will happen if we change? What else does the data tell us that we never thought of to ask? Then, in business intelligence, you have certain kind of measurements such as reporting metrics, as well as key performance indicators, automated monitoring, alerting, thresholds, dashboards, scorecards, OLAP, cubes, slice and dice operations, as well as drilling and hard queries. On the other hand, business analytics has statistical and quantitative analysis, data mining, predictive modeling, and multivariate testing. Now, what is the importance of business intelligence tools or software solutions? The importance of business intelligence tools cannot be overemphasized. A good example is what has been shared here. It helps you fulfill different needs, and these are business needs. Meet your customer needs. Also helps you analyze your data online. It helps you secure your data while online. Can help your collaboration efforts. Can also get a visual view of how your data has flown, how it's being used, and what in general is really happening in your organization. And most importantly, it helps you take a peek or read into your future. Business intelligence systems provide historical, current, and predictive views of business operations, and most often using data that has been gathered into a data warehouse or a data mart, and occasionally working from operational data. Software elements supporting reporting, interactive, slice and dice, pivot table analysis, visualization, and statistical data mining. Applications tackle sales, production, financial, and many other resources of business data for purposes that include business performance management.